So it looks like every video I make so far has been a super windy day. I put a muff on the phone here. Hopefully that'll block some of the sound. But today I'm going to feed the bees. I'm going to do an inspection, and I'm also going to switch the deep frame and put it on top and put the medium frames below, because the deep frame they have not been building wax in, and with the feeder on top, my hope is that they'll, at least after engorging themselves, they'll start to festoon over on the deep frames and maybe start building wax. So without further ado, here we go. Turn my head around. Frame number 2 is empty on the outside, but they're just beginning to build wax on the inside of it. Something else you might notice here is that these bees are a bit darker than the normal bees you see. This breed is Carniolan. And they're supposed to be real aggressive, but you see how close they are to my face. It's not really true. See lots of drones on this. Lots of larvae, cap brood, and then there's a ton of nectar in these. If you're wondering, this is like new foundation here. There's the queen. This is new foundation, and I put an empty frame in beside the old frame to kind of get them to build this out. Good brood cap pattern there, capped honey on the corners. Again, brood, capped honey, there's some pollen in there as well. There's open larvae there. Here's some drone brood. That's what it looks like, those bullets. What I'm going to do is, because it's so windy out, I'm going to go ahead and skip the inspecting the second medium box, because I already found the queen and I see that she's still laying and has all ages of brood in the box above here. So I'm going to skip that. I'm going to go ahead and switch the two boxes, and then I'm going to feed. I'm going to be feeding, topping off the sugar syrup, and I'm going to put a little bit of pollen substitute, just dry. We'll see how that works since it's so windy. It probably won't work. Are totally empty. So I'm going to see if I can put this up by the feeders and get them at least a festoon on